Okay guys, here we have a 2007 Kia Sorento. I'm about to change the rear rotors and brake pads. So first thing I want to do is take the 21mm socket with an impact wrench and loosen the bolts. Guys, sometimes when a battery pack impact wrench doesn't work, you just take a torque wrench and break them loose. No worries. Go. Again. It looks like we got about a 14mm socket. Okay, we got the two 14mm bolts out on the caliper. So now it's not coming off, so we're just gonna cancel this. Use the screwdriver, stick it in right here for a little guidance. If you get it all, if it even. Little guidance, y'all. So we have these off, which is great, nice and easy. So this bolt here and this bolt down here are also 14mm bolts, and this is what holds the caliper. So I'm going to take those off and I'll be right back. Okay, we've got both caliper bolts off. And just slide the caliper bracket off like so. And now comes the rotor. Alright, and this is acting a little stale, so we just gonna tap it like that. And slowly guide it off, guys. Boom. There's your rotor. All done. Alright guys, so this is the new rotor. Now, about to put the caliper bracket back on so we can install the new brake pads as well. I'll be back. See you in the next clip. And I almost forgot. You want to make sure you line these up with the holes that sit on here. So it's a hole so you can screw in set screws. All right, so you always make sure you want to line these two holes up. All right guys, so we got the caliper bracket back on, nice and snug. Boom, 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 boom. So now we're just gonna take some grease and apply it to the brake pads. All right, grease, guys, grease. So I'm gonna also take and put some grease right here on the retainer clip, guys. Easier. So guys, you can see the piston is pushed out a little bit, so I'm just gonna push that back in so it can fit around the brake pads. I'll be back in a second. All right guys, now you guys can see the piston is pushed back in. It's leveled. Okay, so now I'm gonna fit this around the rotors. So take a look. Oh no, you can't see them. Okay. Brake pads. Okay, guys. See. So now I'm going to put let's show you. Now it's back in. So now I'm going to put the 14mm bolts in. I'll be back in a jiffy. Guys, this is a finished product of new rotors and brake pads. Alright, last step, guys. Tire. We're gonna start here. And we're gonna, to the best of our ability, make a square. Boom. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good one.